Namaste, educators, content creators. This presentation is extremely special to me because what I'm going to talk about today is Classplus for creators. Many a times, our educators, content creators feel that Classplus is a product only for academic educators. But that's not the case, and we have in fact developed a whole new product specially for content creators. Especially for educators who are big on YouTube and run ads on Google and Facebook platforms. We have designed this new product, Classplus for creators, especially for content creators. Some of the academic educators are also using it, but it's specially designed for content creators. Let's talk about what is this Classplus for creators. So let's talk about what are the additional features in Classplus for creators plan and why did we develop this in the first place. So let's talk about initially, if you remember, Classplus as a product, we have a white labeled app, which educators use and white label, so it's in their name with their logo listed on Play Store. And on this app, they can host recorded courses, conduct live classes, and in fact, they can make a live class course also. So you can make a course with live class only. So you don't have to have recorded content for a course, and you can conduct online tests. Online tests may not be relevant for all content creators, but some content creators can definitely benefit from online tests. So these are the three broad functionalities of the white labeled app. Now, many educators asked us for, do you have a website? Do you give a website? Many educators asked for how to run campaigns. And many educators actually, how do they do their funnel? They conduct webinars. That's where they collect the leads. Then they nurture them on Zoom. Then they engage with them on maybe WhatsApp or Telegram. Then they collect the payment on UPI or some other platform. And this data is actually scattered everywhere. There is a webinar data, there is a Zoom call data, there is a WhatsApp data, then there's a payment data. And then when you're actually giving them access to content, some of these content creators actually distribute the content on Google Drive, which as we know is not secure. We thought, why don't we bring the power of website, the power of campaigns, and power of all this into one platform. We're proudly calling it Classplus for creators. Now, Classplus for creators is actually designed to work very hard for content creators, and everything that I discussed now can be connected on one platform so that all data remains at one place. Let's understand how educators operate their funnel. So let's talk about the funnel. So this is what a content creator funnel would look like. They would create content. Of course, they're content creators, so they'll create content. From their content, they'll direct their traffic to either their website or their app, assuming they have an app, or to a Telegram community. That's most of the educators, they use one or more of these platforms to direct their traffic. Content brings traffic, and then traffic is brought to website, app, or Telegram. Then they nurture. If it's Telegram, they share content on Telegram. If it's app, it could be through live classes, through notifications. Website, there is not much of nurturing happens. On website also, they capture, nurture, and then we get interested leads. On website, there is a lead form. So they get to know interested leads. So they get interested leads. Then a round of calling, or counseling, and that's when you get conversion. So our product, Classplus for Creators, actually takes care of the entire journey. Let me tell you how. So website, you can now design with Classplus for Creators. App was already a part of Classplus product. You can do nurturing, so you can bring all your users to the app or website. You can do now nurturing with, if you're an app, you can do live classes, you can do notification, you can create campaigns. So if somebody is coming to an app, you can actually design campaigns. So if somebody downloads the app, this message goes or this notification goes. The whole consumer journey, the customer journey, you can design within the app. You can nurture them, and we have a feature called AI powered leads, which I'll talk about in some time. AI powered leads, where all interested students, all interested customers, you get visibility of everybody who's interested on the basis of, so essentially this is a CRM basis of, if they are browsing your course or trying the payment, you get all this as a part of your funnel. And obviously you can do counseling and leads to conversion. So let's dig deep in the product. But the important feature here is, I'll talk about website, landing pages. Yes, you can create landing pages on a Classplus product so that all data remains at one place. Campaigns. You can map user journeys into saying that, if this action is occurred, do this activity, and the entire visibility of data remains in analytics. So this entire added feature and app, this is Classplus for Creators. So I'm very happy to take you through the presentation ahead. This is what Classplus for Creators is, specially designed for content creators. Let's go back to the funnel, because this is what all content creators talk about all day. There's your traffic which comes from your content. You get leads, and that's where you get sales, right? You understand? So traffic, where does traffic come from? YouTube. You're already working on it. Telegram, Instagram. Where does the traffic? Traffic can also come from website, right? This website you can now design with Classplus for Creators. Leads, top of the funnel, can also come from campaigns. So something like a webinar, a lead form. You can now design this campaign from Classplus Creators, and webinars are already discussed. So this holistic platform, Classplus Creators, lets you do everything apart from the usual social media that you work on. Everything else is taken care by Classplus Creators. When we talk about leads, leads can land on landing pages. This is something you can make from Classplus for Creators. White labeled app has always been part of the Classplus product. So you already know that. And engagement, you can build within Classplus for Creators. This package also lets you engage the downloads that have happened to you. If you want a detailed demo on the white labeled app, I recommend watching my other video about official demo of Classplus product. This will give you a detailed in-depth of the white labeled app. Today we're talking about Classplus for Creators. So what I've told you is this: everything here can now be done on Classplus. That's Classplus for Creators. So let's talk about the basic product that we have always been very proud of, the white labeled app. What is this white labeled app? White labeled app is an app which is in your name, comes with your logo, and listed on Play Store. And when I say listed on Play Store, that means it is searchable on Play Store. You get a link which you can distribute through social media, messaging groups. So when I say social media, this could be YouTube, Instagram, or messaging groups like WhatsApp, Telegram. So you get an app with name, logo listed, and this is a customizable app. So you can customize the thumbnail, everything. It is customizable. It comes with your name, and you can conduct live classes, recorded courses, or online tests. And this is the hero product. You can now create your own website. It comes as a part of your Classplus for Creator product. If you're talking to a Classplus growth executive, do talk about Classplus for Creator package, where you can create your own website. There are many templates available. You can choose from many templates available, and you can customize everything. You can choose the image, choose landing pages, choose links, choose filters, everything you can now pick. There are many templates available. In fact, what I'll do is, I'll take you to the product now and show you how it works. So let me take you to the product. So this is what your admin dashboard looks like. This is when you log in. This is what you see. On the left, if you see, there is dashboard, which is the summary, which is the home page. You can customize the website here. This is where all your courses are visible. This is if you want to customize your app, anything, you can do it from here. You can create landing pages here, chats. I'll show you how this works. Analytics, integration that I talked to you about. You can run campaigns here, and these are all the users who have downloaded your app. So let's talk about dashboard first, what all is there. So here is you can create a website, and this is your app. So these links, website, app, these are all given here as shortcuts are given here. It tells you about course, test portal, landing page. So everything that you see here also shows up on your dashboard. Okay. It also shows about the banners which are live, the coupons which are live. You can create discount coupons from within the ecosystem. Everything is visible here. So let's go to the website first. And if you see, I've clicked on manage pages. If you see, there are many. This is what it currently shows: home, about us. So we have created a website. You can create all these pages, add these pages, and then the website comes in, in action. And you can preview the website here. So this is what the website preview is. All this can be made on the Classplus ecosystem now. So home, about us, and these all pages you can create, right? You can add some testimonials. Many of these, this is a lead form actually. And all the courses, this is something that is automatically fetched from the system. Every course that you have uploaded shows up automatically. So this page is dynamically updated. So I showed you how website can be made. You can easily make your website, customize it. It works very intuitively. You can design it on your own. And interestingly, you can also integrate your domain. So if you've already bought a domain, you can automatically integrate without much of a help. This can be, you can just request a domain change. It can be done real time. Let's talk about courses page. So if you see three options: manage courses, add courses, manage coupons. Like I mentioned, coupons can be created from within the system. Sale campaigns are a great way to increase sales. You can create coupons from here. But let's look at manage courses. This is dynamically updated. So every course that you upload shows up here. These are some of the dummy courses that we have uploaded for demo. But you can add a course, and when you click on add new course, you have to assign the name, description. You can add a thumbnail here. You can define the category of the course, the subcategory of the course, validity for how long should a student, a viewer should consume this course. It could be, you can set it for months or years, or you can have a lifetime validity by clicking here. And you can set the course price, discount price, and just goes live like that. The course doesn't have to be a recorded course. The course can also have live classes. Live class is a big function for our educators, where educators actually don't have recorded content, but they go live every day at a certain point of time. Good thing is all these live classes are recorded, so you can download them within 7 days of going live and edit them if needed, upload them as a part of recorded course some other day. But courses can be made live just with live classes. You don't have to record, edit content to go live. So if you're looking to monetize your content, start going live and launch a course. Test portal, it's you can create a test. In fact, free tests work brilliantly to actually sign up more students, because students like to refer other students. They want to gauge their preparedness versus their friends' preparedness, and free test is a great way to actually sign up students. This is where your app is. You can configure your app. So everything in your app is configurable. So this is what a preview of your app is like. You pick the logo, banner, everything. You can change here. Uh, and for example, this is a manage banner. So you can actually manage banners from here. Whatever shows up on your app can be customized for you. And you can, if you're making a banner that's very intuitive, try it on your own. This can be done. So all these banners are customizable. Coming back to landing pages, you can now create landing pages where you can bring your traffic to a landing page, and basis different goals, we have three kind of landing pages. So first is a webinar page. A webinar page is when you're looking for registration for a webinar. So you can promote your webinar here. If you're conducting webinar to collect leads, this is where you can create a landing page so that you get all the leads in one place and not using another platform to actually, or not a Google form to collect these leads. Course page. If you've already made a course, the course page can easily be distributed through your social media so that a customer who's watching your content, who's consuming your content and wants to buy a course, doesn't have to download the app. This course page automatically opens up in a web browser and the course can be bought from the web. And then there's a form page. If you're looking to collect more details about your viewers, your content consumers, you can build this form page. In fact, let me take you to how it looks like and let's create a page from scratch. Okay. Now comes an interesting part, landing pages. Why landing pages are important? Because landing pages are, are part of the funnel of every content creator. And you can create landing pages. We have created some sample landing pages, but let me show you if you want to create a landing page. So let's in fact create a landing page. Go to create new landing page, and there are three landing pages, these kind of landing pages: webinar page, course page, form page. So course page, I'll talk about webinar page, but let's talk about course page first. This is used to promote your course. So any course will have a link and you can promote that through your course page. So every course will have a link, will have a page. A consumer, a viewer can actually go to the course page without having to download the app, and the course can be bought without downloading the app. So removing that layer of downloading the app, a course can be bought. A form page is to collect any information that it works very much like a Google form. You can collect information from your viewers to understand them better. Let's in fact create a webinar page. What is a webinar page? So to promote your free paid webinar. So title, let's say test, webinar page, description, sign up, upload an image. So I'm just uploading an image which is on the desktop. And then let's pick a date. Let's say this Sunday, 30th April. Webinar starts at 10:30 a.m. ends at, let's say, 1 hour webinar, so 11:30 a.m. Google Meet, I've already copied one, so I've added a Google Meet link here. I can define it's a paid webinar or a free webinar. Let's call it a paid webinar. Let's say it's a 200 rupee webinar, and I'm offering 50% discount to first 50 users. Let's say so 50 rupees discount, so 150 rupees. Offer ends on before the webinar, and let's say first 50 seats. So only 50 people can book at a discount. And this is booking charges. So there are some payment gateway charges that you can decide. If students should pay, then the price becomes 150. If you think you will bear that cost, so then it becomes 150. So selecting that and go to next. So this becomes your webinar page, and this becomes a webinar page. This is the image that you uploaded, and just save and proceed. And this becomes your link. And you can automatically link it with it and just publish it. And once you publish it, so this becomes your webinar page. This webinar page, then you can send the link. This one webinar, this we just created today. Options, share. So this is the link. If I copy that and take you to this page, this is what the page looks like. So this is the page. As you can see, it shows hurry up, offer let 50 users now. And this is the image that you upload. This is the price. And obviously, it just showed up any information that you can put. The webinar date and Google Meet link is there. So this is what a webinar page would look like. It automatically registers users. Everything now you can create from within the Classplus app. So if you're looking to build your top of the funnel and webinar is the way, then you can create everything. And offer ends in 5 days. This obviously is a dynamic page. All this can now be created on a Classplus app. That's why I'm so excited about Classplus for creators. This will help creators actually build the top of the funnel. So let me take you. Let's move ahead. Take you to the next one, chats, which is an interesting one because there's one feature that's very interesting in chat is AI powered leads. AI powered leads, as you can see here, this actually shows all the downloads who are actually browsing your course or clicking on a buy now link but have not actually completed the transaction. This helps you understand who are your hot leads, who are your warm leads. Warm lead is somebody who has downloaded the app, browsed the course, but just stopped there. A hot lead is somebody who's browsed the course, clicked on buy now button also, but has not completed the transaction. So everything you get in AI powered leads. This is very powerful feature. And geo reports is something that's very interesting, very important for content creators, especially because geo reports, we send you a link every 7 days and we show you from where your users have come in. In fact, let me show you a geo report, how it looks like for one of our educators. So let me show you how geo reports work. It's such a powerful feature, especially for content creators, because if you have viewers coming on your YouTube, Instagram, Telegram, what you don't know is where these users come from. What you have is some number of views, but what you don't know is where these users are coming from. So geo reports actually gives you clarity of who your users are, where are you getting downloads from, where are the course purchases coming from, and everything is a course viewers, transacting students, selling price, revenue, potential growth. AI powered leads, like I told you about, AI powered leads are leads that users who have downloaded your app are browsing your course but are not buying, and students sign up. So let me show you course viewers. Let's say so this is one of our educators. I cannot reveal the name, but this is where the downloads are coming from. Currently it shows 2 coming from northern part of Europe, 4 coming from UK, 6 coming from somewhere around Germany, 41 coming from UAE, 1 from Tajikistan, but mostly from India, because India-based educator has most downloads coming from. If we actually zoom in here, we can actually see where these are coming from. As you can see, 3 are coming from Port Blair, most are coming from Maharashtra, then also UP, Bihar, and South. If I actually zoom in, this further breaks up. So this actually breaks up into different cities. You keep zooming in, it will give you actually a clearer picture of where these downloads are coming from. So this is an exciting way to know where users coming from, and it is very important that if tomorrow you want to conduct a physical seminar or actually thinking of opening up an offline center, this data can also help you to design your offline strategy. Plus, if you're running digital campaigns, you should know which audience to exclude from, what audience is not working out for you. So you actually sharp shoot your audience basis your user base, and this can help you actually save money, sharp shoot, and grow faster. Coming back to the other aspects, let me take you ahead. Analytics, I was telling you, you can see your broad analytics last 7 days. You can pick anything last 30 days. You can use a custom data also. It actually shows you data of how many website sessions, because your website is made on Classplus platforms. Everything is visible here. You don't have to actually go to different platforms to consume data. So website sessions, buy now, clicks, transactions, revenue, everything is visible here. In fact, you can also download this report for analysis. Integrations, if you're running Google Ads, you can just integrate. You can integrate your Zoom, you can integrate your webhook. Everything can be integrated right here. Coming back to third functionality, campaigns. Now these campaigns, something that you can create from within the Classplus ecosystem, and basis goals, basis consumer journey, you can actually define automated tasks for the product to consume for you, to actually execute for you. So these are user action based. So every time a user actually does a task, for example, it could be based on sign up on the app or clicking on a buy now button. So different tasks can be assigned a goal, activity to do, and these are one time. So if you're doing a notification or an SMS one time, which is not defined on a rule, that's where one time comes in. So if this is based on a rule, this is rule based, and this is one time. So not rule based, but this is something that you want to do now. Let me take you to how it shows, and in fact, let's create a campaign basis rule. Okay. So campaign is very interesting. Let me take you the two kinds of campaigns. One is a user action based campaign and a one time campaign. One time campaign is something, and campaign is you can reach out to your downloads through SMS, email, or notification, right? These three. And let's create a user action. What is a user action base? So every time a user completes an action, you can define what this platform should do for you. For example, three ways: push notification for your downloads, email, or SMS. Okay, these are your users who have downloaded your app. We have data, SMS, email, or they're already in the app, so push notification can be sent. And you can set target audience. So, for example, I want to send a push notification to every user who has downloaded the app. Let's say, okay. So I set target audience. I set the target audience users who sign up on the app. Okay. I edit content here, and this shows you what that notification will look like. So this shows up real time. Let's say buy my course, and catchy description text. My course is awesome. So description, you can upload an image. This is how a notification will look like. And you can define the landing page. What should the button should say? Buy now. So as you can see, this is the title, description, thumbnail, and call to action, CTA. What should it land on? Let's say store tab where it will open up to courses. And when I say proceed, so it shows you send test notification. Anybody, to one of the users, you can to you actually you can send a test notification, or you can send. I'm not sending it right now, but this is how you can create a user action based campaign very easily. So every time somebody signs up on the app, a notification will be sent. Buy my course, the one that we designed, or you can actually design it for somebody browsing your course and so on. So different user actions can be allocated a task. We are talking about campaigns. You can design your own campaigns here. So I've discussed everything. Essentially summarizing, this Classplus creators actually solves many tasks for content creators who are actually looking at building their funnel through webinars, through landing pages, everything in one place. The data shows up beautifully in analytics, so you don't have to actually refer many different dashboards to know how's your traffic flowing. Everything in one place with the classic power of Classplus, the white labeled app. This product works beautifully for content creators. I would request you to actually request a free demo, talk to one of our growth executives, and actually they'll tell you how this product works for you. They'll be happy to share some case studies with you. So I look forward to meeting you all, welcome you all to the Classplus family. Do talk to a growth expert and they'll take you through the journey. Classplus for creators. Thank you so much.